Hola mi gente and welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. Today we're going to be making a delicious Cosmopolitan. The original recipe calls for citron vodka, fresh lime juice, cranberry juice, and orange liqueur. I personally like no citron vodka. I like regular vodka in this. And today we're gonna be utilizing some Tito's 100% corn vodka, 6-time distilled, and we're gonna be utilizing some Cointreau orange liqueur. Now, let's get into the cocktail. Really simple cocktail. We're gonna grab our shaker, and like I always say, start with the cheapest ingredient first, just in case you make a mistake. Now, we're gonna start off with fresh lime juice, just a 1/4 ounce to bring that acidity that we want for the Cosmo. Next, some cranberry juice. We're gonna put an ounce right in there. Now, the sweetener in this cocktail is gonna be the orange liqueur, but it's also gonna tie in all those other flavors of the cranberry and the lime. We're gonna put 3/4 of an ounce. And now the main component, vodka. We're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka right into the tin. Let's add some ice. And now we shake. Hit it 2 times to really lock everything in. Flip and shake it up. Hey, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. All right, we crack it open. Now this cocktail is gonna be served up, so in a martini glass, no ice. Now, every time I serve a cocktail with no ice, I wanna double strain it. Now, the reason I'm double straining this cocktail is because I don't want any of the ice bits in there. I just want a cleaner cocktail. There you go, you see the nice pink color from the cranberry juice. It looks pretty, it's gonna taste delicious too. And now for garnish. You could either garnish it with the lime wedge on the side, an orange peel. I personally prefer just a nice lime peel to just throw on top. And that's it. And there you have it. A Cosmo, not made with the citron vodka. I'm making it just with the regular vodka, but this is how I like it. And hopefully you do too. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And now let's get it.